What I love about my foot kit is that it gets the job done. If you've got cracked heels and scaly feet and you've ever tried to tackle those babies and soften them up, you know it ain't easy. So I've thrown the kitchen sink at them because it's really important to have soft and smooth feet, both in your cute sandals and when you're barefoot. So how this kit works is I use 30% glycolic acid in the Glytone Heel and Elbow product. The cream is applied after your bath or shower, so after the feet have been wet. It's applied to the thicker parts of the skin on the feet. You don't need to apply it to the arch of the foot because that skin typically isn't thick, but the peripheral parts of the soles of the feet, especially the heels and then over by the big toes, the ball of the foot there, those build up a lot of dead scale that's tenacious and hard to remove. You apply the cream, and then I have people apply socks so that they're not patting the cream around all over the house or in their sheets. And then the next day, after your bath or shower, you're going to notice that the skin on the feet is now kind of soft and more pliable. And you take the pumice pad, which is the feet first buffing pad, which out of its wrapper looks like this, and you sand the skin off, and you're going to see that it comes off much more easily than it ever did before. But it's still going to be a little bit rough. So then you take the foot file, which has 80 grit and 100 grit sandpaper in a nice durable plastic handle, and you start with the coarser side and you file it down to make the skin a little bit softer, and then you rinse off the dead skin cells and then use the finer side and do that as necessary until you get your feet to the place where you want them, and then after that as needed to maintain results. So you've got both physical exfoliation and chemical exfoliation, which is what it takes to get through a really thick sole.